And we're back to learning CapCut in a year, day 111. Let's go back to face retouching. I add the same clip right here using a plus sign. I stack them and I go to the one at the top under video retouch. We can use the retouch option. Let me close the auto styles. And if you apply it first to a clip, you have to confirm this right here. There is no way around it. Once you've got it, you can apply it to a single person or a group. And there are also some pro features indicated by this diamond icon. Let's go over the three options here. Whitening is generally for the skin. And then below is for the teeth, specifically a white teeth option. The clear you can see best right here on the microphone. Dark circles and brighten eyes in the face. And then smile lines, I could see it a little bit on the mouth. And smoothing is then a general smoothing effect. Super easy to use. You can see the effect applied in real time as you use these sliders. And if we compare it to the original, we have actually made this woman a couple of years younger. A very quick way to retouch, and in many cases it creates decent results. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.